Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring the earbuds are connected. That establishes control channels. On your phone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth, then select the paired earbuds. If the manufacturer app is installed, open that instead because it often exposes control toggles. Once done, make sure the device and earbuds are awake, otherwise settings won't apply. You're ready for the first actionable change. Locate device options or the app's control panel to access touch control or gesture settings. Now you navigate to touch or gesture settings. This is where commands live. In the app or system panel, look for touch controls, gesture controls, or button mapping. Tap into that menu and change each mapped action to none or off. Some systems let you disable all controls with a single toggle. If there's no explicit off, remap to a benign action like do nothing. Make sure to save or apply, if required. Disconnect and reconnect the earbuds so new mappings take effect. Finally, test by performing the disabled gestures. Press, tap, and hold to confirm nothing triggers. If controls still work, update the earbuds firmware, and the companion app updates often add disable options. Next, reboot or repair the earbuds. Sometimes settings only apply after reconnection. If problems continue, perform a factory reset as a last resort, knowing it erases pairings. If you get stuck, contact support and mention firmware version and device model to speed troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.